हमारे पास है।
So now I would request Honorable Principal Sir and all of the chief guests to come on the stage for आरती। देवों के देव वक्रतुंड महाकाय को अपने हर भक्त से प्यार है।
So with this, a very blissful morning to one and all present over here. Today, I Survey Singh with my co-host Ayushi Balodia is here to host today's Ganesh Mahotsav. Felicitation is inspiration to others and motivation to whom you are felicitating.
So to honor our chief guest, I would request my friends to send a token of love on behalf of us.
Mata Jagi Parvati Pita विघ्ननाशकारं देवं हेरम्बं प्रणमाम्यहम्. It means with one tooth, a great body, a big belly and an elephant's ear. He's the one who destroys all obstacles to whom we are going down with devotion. Dhanyavad.
Amazing that the amount of news that happens every day just exactly fits the newspaper.
And I'm sure most of you have not read today's newspaper. But don't worry, here is my friend Anya as today's news reporter. Here am Anya in front of you all for today's news. National news. India sets record with 2 crore COVID-19 vaccine on Friday. A farmer from Singari village from Bihar got rupees 52 crore in his pension account accidentally. Other farmers asked for some amount out of them. UP's unemployment rate was more than 17% in 2016 and today it is about 4 to 5%. International news. Australian PM says he made clear to the France possibility of scrapping submarine deal. Afghanistan cannot be controlled from outside, said Pakistan PM Khan at SCO summit. Gujarat news. BJP government removed Gujarat's curfew capital. Gujarat HC forms task force for Sabarmati. Sports news. Pakistan versus New Zealand. Babar Khan is extremely disappointed with the abrupt postponement of series. National Athletic Championship. Railway Panu Chaudhary completes double with personal best in stepwatches. Weather news. Scattered shower and thunderstorms. High around 30 degrees Celsius. Winds southwest at 15 to 25 km per hour. Chance for rain 40%. Shri Visheswaradhyaya news. Term 1 exam for junior KG to 12th standard will be starting from 4th October. Ganesh Chaturthi celebration is going on in Shri Visheswaradhyaya. Honorable Principal Sir, all respected academic heads and respected teachers are present here. Thank you and have a nice day. I think my friend Shreya has more knowledge about it. So let's invite Shreya for amazing fact.
Good morning. Here I am. The word Gana in the Ganpati means common people and word Pati means Lord. Together he is known as the Lord of people. It is believed that Lord Ganesha married twin sisters Riddhi and Siddhi. Riddhi is known as the goddess of prosperity and bore him a son Shub, known for auspiciousness. Siddhi is known as the goddess of intellect and bore him a son Lab, known for profit. It is believed that Lord Shiva gave boon to Ganesha that he would be worshipped at the beginning of any good work. This is the reason why he is worshipped at the beginning of any good work. Most of us are aware of the fact that Lord Ganesha loves modak, but apart modak, his favorite dessert is puran poli and laddus, which are often offered as hope to the god. Thank you and have a nice day.
Speech is to persuade. Speech is to convey and convey.
So now I would invite Rushita and Krisha to speak few words on the significance of this festival.
सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. भगवान गणेश को बुद्धि और विद्या का दाता एवं प्रथम देव माना जाता है. शुभ कार्य करने से पहले भगवान गणेश का ध्यान किया जाता है. गणेश जी की स्तुति और वंदना से कार्य में आने वाले विघ्न समाप्त हो जाते हैं. इसीलिए उन्हें विघ्नहर्ता भी कहा गया है. लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं गणेश चतुर्थी मनाने की वजह क्या है? हमारे धर्म ग्रंथों के अनुसार महाभारत की रचना महर्षि वेद व्यास द्वारा की गई है, किंतु लेखन कार्य उनके वश का नहीं था. इस कारण उन्होंने भगवान गणेश की आराधना की और उनसे प्रार्थना की कि वे महाभारत का लेखन कार्य करें. गणेश जी ने सहमति दी और दिन रात लेखन कार्य किया. इस कारण गणेश जी को थकान तो होनी ही थी, लेकिन उन्हें
पानी पीना भी वर्जित था। अतः गणेश जी के शरीर का तापमान ना बढ़े, इसलिए महर्षि वेदव्यास ने उनके शरीर पर मिट्टी का लेप किया और भाद्रपद शुक्ल चतुर्थी को उनकी पूजा की।
इतिहासकारों की माने तो गणेश महोत्सव मनाने की शुरुआत 1630 से 1680 के बीच शुरू हुई। एक तरफ मराठा संस्थापक छत्रपति शिवाजी के समय उनके कुलदेवता के रूप में गणपति जी की पूजा की जाती थी, तो वहीं दूसरी तरफ पेशवाओं के अंत के बाद यह पारिवारिक उत्सव बन गया। देश की आजादी के आंदोलन में गणेश महोत्सव ने महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई। 1882 में बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी ने वंदे मातरम नामक गीत लिखा। इस गीत को गाने वालों को अंग्रेजों के द्वारा जेल में डाल देने का आदेश दे दिया गया। लोगों के मन से अंग्रेजों का भय दूर करने के लिए लोकमान्य तिलक ने गणेश महोत्सव की स्थापना की और सबसे पहले पुणे में गणेश उत्सव का आयोजन किया। इससे पहले लोग अपने घरों में गणेश उत्सव मनाया करते थे, लेकिन 1894 के बाद इसे सामूहिक तौर पर मनाने लगे। लोकमान्य तिलक ने ब्राह्मणों और गैर ब्राह्मणों की दूरी समाप्त करने के लिए यह पर्व प्रारंभ किया और आगे चलकर यह एकता की मिसाल बना।
गणेश चतुर्थी 10 दिनों तक मनाई जाती है। यह चतुर्थी के दिन प्रारंभ होती है और इस त्योहार में लोग अपने घरों में गणेश जी की मूर्ति की स्थापना करते हैं और अनंत चतुर्थी पर विसर्जन के साथ यह उत्सव संपन्न होता है। गणेश जी को सभी देवी देवताओं में से अधिक धैर्यवान माना जाता है। उन्हें चित स्थिर और शांत बताया गया है। कैसी भी परिस्थिति हो, वे अपना धैर्य कभी नहीं खोते और सदैव अपना कार्य शांत भाव से करते रहते हैं। तो आज गणेश चतुर्थी के इस अवसर पर हम सब भगवान गणेश से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि वे हमें सद्बुद्धि प्रदान करें और धैर्यशील बनाएं। अंत में
गणपति जी एकदम नटखट और निराले हैं।
चेहरे से भी तो कितने भोले भाले हैं।
सदा रहते अपने भक्तों के दिलों में।
इन्होंने सदा अपने भक्तों के दर्द संभाले हैं। आप सभी को गणेश चतुर्थी की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
And keep you in the deepest pain and then lives you in the memories.
Yes, this is true.
So to make the environment melodious and pleasant, I would like to invite Tanvi Patel for solo song.
सब मंगल में
Now, I would like to request the audience to hold on the seat and get ready to see a drama prepared by our friends. So let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
ओम वक्रतुंडाय नमः। ओम गणेशाय नमः। ओम एकदंताय नमः। ओम विघ्नेश्वराय नमः।
आत्रेया, बहन आत्रेया। अरे बहनों, कैसी हो तुम?
सब कुशल मंगल है।
कौड़ी में मुनि ध्यान में व्यस्त है क्या?
हाँ, आप लोग महाराज के दर्शन करके आ रहे हो?
हाँ, ये देखो, इंद्रधनुष जैसे सतरंगी रेशमी कपड़े हैं।
ये सोना है।
ये मोती है। इतने सुंदर गहने शायद कुबेर के पास भी ना हो।
ये सब सोन सुंदर महाराज ने यज्ञ करवाने वालों को दक्षिणा में दिए हैं। अति सुंदर है। हमारे पतियों की तरह यदि तुम्हारे पति भी यज्ञ में शामिल होते तो तुम्हें भी मिलता ये सब।
वो तो 108 दुर्वा गणेश जी को अर्पण करने में ही व्यस्त रहते हैं। वे कैसे आते यज्ञ करवाने? लेकिन फिर भी यदि आप चाहे तो इनमें से कुछ भी ले सकती है।
हाँ हाँ, लीजिए लीजिए। छोड़ो बहन, अगर मैंने इनमें से कुछ भी स्वीकार किया तो मेरे स्वामी नाराज हो जाएंगे।
आत्रेया,
जी स्वामी, मैं चलती हूँ, स्वामी बुला रहे हैं।
भाग्य भी साथ देना चाहिए, बेचारी आत्रेया।
आत्रेया, लगता है तुम्हारे मन में कुछ संकोच है।
कुछ नहीं स्वामी।
हमसे ना छुपाओ, हमें तुम्हारे चेहरे से पता चल रहा है।
स्वामी वो क्या है?
सकुचाओ नहीं, जो है वो हो।
स्वामी वो क्या है? महाराज की यज्ञ में गए सभी मुनिवरों को आभूषणों से सत्कारा गया है।
तो क्या हुआ?
तो हम भी महाराज की दर्शन करने जाते तो।
मिट्टी के लोक में इन मानवों से क्या मांगना। इसके पश्चात स्वर्ग के राजा 33 कोटि के देवताओं के अधिपति हम श्री गणेश जी से ही मांगते हैं।
गणेश जी से तो मांगते ही है प्रभु, पर
लगता है आत्रेया को बहुमूल्य आभूषणों ने मोहित कर लिया है, इसलिए वह गणपति के इस प्रकार को समझ नहीं पा रही है। इसलिए मुझे कुछ करना होगा। आत्रेया, मैं तुम्हें अपने तप की प्रभाव से कुबेर के दरबार में भेजता हूँ।
कुबेर के दरबार में? फिर तो मुझे रत्न आभूषण और सोना सब मिल सकता है।
हाँ हाँ जरूर, लेकिन मेरी एक शर्त है।
क्या स्वामी?
तुम्हें कुबेर से इस धन के बराबर के वजन के ही रत्न और आभूषण लाने होंगे।
इस दुर्वा के बराबर?
हाँ देवी।
ठीक है स्वामी, अब मैं स्वामी की आज्ञा का उल्लंघन भी नहीं कर सकती।
तथास्तु।
महाराज की जय हो। महाराज, पृथ्वीलोक से एक तपस्वी आपके दर्शन के लिए स्वर्गलोक पधारे।
क्या पृथ्वीलोक से स्वर्गलोक में एक तपस्विनी? यह कैसे संभव है, वह भी सशरीर?
यह तो प्रकृति के नियम के विरुद्ध है। उन्हें अंदर लेकर आइए।
जैसी आज्ञा महाराज। आइए।
प्रणाम कुबेर जी।
प्रणाम देवी। आप कौन हैं और आपका यहाँ पे कैसे आना हुआ?
हे धनदाय, मैं मुनि कौंडिन्य की भार्या हूँ और यहाँ कुछ आभूषण और रत्न लेने आई हूँ।
ठीक है देवी, आपकी इच्छा पूर्ण की जाएगी। धनन मणिमद्र। देवी को बहुमूल्य आभूषण और रत्न देकर विदा किया जाए।
लेकिन प्रभु, मुझे इस दुर्गा के बराबर ही चाहिए, इससे अधिक नहीं चाहिए।
क्या इस दुर्गा के बराबर? इस दुर्गा के बराबर? देवी, लगता है ऋषिवर ने आपके और हमारे साथ कोई मजाक किया है। महाराज, इस दुर्गा के बराबर। ठीक है, जैसी देवी की इच्छा। देवी, ये ध्रुवदल आपको किसने दिया है और आप इसे कहां से लाए हैं?
मेरे स्वामी गणेश जी को हर रोज दुर्गादंड अर्पण करते हैं, उन्हीं में से एक है ये।
क्षमा करना देवी, मेरे पास तो क्या संपूर्ण ब्रह्मांड में भी इस दुर्वादल की बराबरी कोई नहीं कर सकता। क्षमा करना देवी।
Lampu program. Bertahan 8 menit
आ गई देवी।
जी स्वामी।
रत्न आभूषण प्राप्त हुए कि नहीं?
नहीं स्वामी, मैं अज्ञानता के अंधकार में डूब गई थी। मुझे इन रत्न आभूषणों से मोह हो गया था, परंतु अब मुझे गणेश जी की महिमा के बारे में ज्ञान हो चुका है।
कोई बात नहीं।
परंतु स्वामी, इस दुर्गा का क्या रहस्य है?
इसके पीछे एक बहुत लंबी कहानी है।
मैं जानना चाहूंगी स्वामी।
जरूर। बहुत समय पहले की बात है। अन्नासुर नाम का एक राक्षस था, जिसने पूरे पृथ्वी पर हाहाकार मचा रखा था। वह मनुष्यों, ऋषियों, देवों को जिंदा ही निकल लेता था। इससे सारे देवी देवता बहुत परेशान थे। सारे देवी देवता इस समस्या का हल निकालने महादेव जी के पास गए। महादेव जी की आराधना की और उनको अपनी परेशानी बताई। महादेव जी ने कहा, इस परेशानी का हल तो सिर्फ गणेश जी के पास ही है। सारे देवी देवता गणेश जी के पास गए, उनकी आराधना की और उनको अपनी समस्या बताई। गणेश जी ने कहा, मैं आपकी इस समस्या का हल अवश्य निकालूंगा। गणेश जी और अन्नासुर के बीच में महायुद्ध हुआ। ना तो अन्नासुर हारता, ना तो गणेश जी जीतते, और ये महायुद्ध लंबे समय तक चलता रहा। अंत में गणेश जी क्रोधित हो गए और उन्होंने अन्नासुर को निगल लिया। अन्ना अर्थात आग। गणेश जी ने आग को निगलने के बाद उनके पेट में जलन होने लगी। सारे देवी देवता परेशान हो गए। सारे देवी देवताओं ने गणेश जी का जल अभिषेक किया, उनको चंदन का लेप किया, मिट्टी लगाई, लेकिन गणेश जी की जलन शांत नहीं हुई। तब कश्यप ऋषि ने एक दुर्वाद्र में 21 गांठें लगाई और उन 21 गांठों की एक एकाग्र समूह बनाया और गणेश जी को खिलाया। उसके बाद गणेश जी की जलन शांत हो गई। तब गणेश जी ने स्वयं कहा था कि जो भी मुझे प्रेम भाव से दुर्वात्र अर्पण करेगा उसकी सर्व मनोकामना पूरी होगी।
यह जानकर मेरा जीवन धन्य हो गया स्वामी।
तो आप भी इस दुर्वात्र का महत्व समझ चुके होंगे, अर्थात आप भी इस दुर्वात्र का गणेश जी की आरती में फूल, पुष्प, दुर्वात्र और मोदक से करें।
सिद्धि विनायक, अष्ट विनायक, महाराज अधिराज, एकदंत, वक्रतुंड, श्री गणेश जी आप सभी की मनोकामनाओं को पूर्ण करें।
ओम गजाननाय नमः।
विघ्नेश्वर आप सब पर अपनी कृपा सदैव बनाए रखें।
आप सभी को गणेश उत्सव की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
विद्यारंभे विवाहे च विद्यारंभे विवाहे च प्रवेशे निर्गमे तथा संग्रामे संकटे चैव विघ्नस्तस्य न जायते. No obstacles will come in the way of one who reads or listens the names of Lord Ganesha. That may be at the beginning of an auspicious time, at the beginning of education, while entering or exiting anything. Maybe during a battle, or may it be at the time of calamity. Lord Ganesha will be always with you. A very good morning to Honorable Principal Sir, esteemed coordinators, energetic educators, as well as young and enthusiastic minds. Amongst a multitude of gods that are present in the pantheon of Hindu mythology, Lord Ganesha is one of the most popular ones. His idols are omnipresent, and we all find a huge excitement in the minds of people while celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi and this Ganesh festival. That might also be due to the very source of its name, which Lord Ganesha we call, which has been formed by two words. Gana means masses, people, and each is referred to a god. This quite literally makes Ganesha as the Lord of the masses. Lord Ganesha has been worshipped since many years on this earth and in all the places in the universe, and his stories have gained a special place in our hearts. He is known as the Vignaharta, the remover of all obstacles. He is a symbol of success, happiness, and prosperity. This Lord is known by many names. Amit, one who is incomparable. Ananta Chitrupa, one who is a personification of the infinite consciousness. Avanish, master of the universe. Avigna, the remover of obstacles. Balaganapati, beloved child. Balachandra, one who is moon-crested. Bhi, the one who is gigantic. Bhupati, the lord of the lords. Bhuvanapati, the lord of the heaven. Buddhinath, Buddhipriya, Buddhividata, Chaturbhuja, Devavrata, Devarshikha, Dharmika, Dhumravarna, Durja, Ekakshara, one who is a single word, is of a single syllable. Many and many other names. Each name has its beautiful origin and beautiful story behind it. Let me tell you a very short story. One night, I know you all people are knowing very different stories of Lord Ganesha. Let me tell you one here. Once it happened, Lord Ganesha went for a ride on his mouse. The tiny mouse could not bear the weight of Lord Ganesha and it tripped down. The moon started laughing at that sight and Ganesha got so angry and then cursed the moon that night. What was the cursing? The one who looks at the moon on the day of Ganesh Chaturthi will be falsely accused. The moon begged Ganesha to remove the curse. And afterwards Ganesha also realized that he had overreacted. But he could not take the curse back. From then onwards, Ganesha decided to think twice before doing anything. I think we should also learn something from the story, that don't act in impulse. Always think before you react, because anger passes but actions, they remain. So next time when you feel the blood rushing down your veins, stand faster, take your emotional temperature and allow yourself to cool down, you'll be amazed. You'll be getting a different experience at that moment. Then there was another story of Vakratunda, a very interesting story again. Matsyasura, you must have heard the name. Matsyasura was a ferocious demon who worshipped Lord Shiva and asked for the boon of immortality. Now Shiva blessed, and then this demon, Matsyasura, he started crushing all three worlds, and then Lord Ganesha. Actually, it was a blessing given by Shiva that Matsyasura will not be destroyed by any human, any god, or any other demon. And then Lord Ganesha was transformed into Vakratunda, and then he captured Matsyasura. But When Matsyasur begged for forgiveness, Vakratunda set him free and peace was restored in the world. Again, the story gives us the moral. We learn that learn to forgive and learn to forget. So there are many stories and many life lessons we can take from this great Lord, God or Lord of all the goddess. This is how we can see to all these stories, many other stories I said, and many other life lessons that we can learn from Lord Gajanan. Let us at least take one good lesson from him, one good thing which we can bring in our lives and see the change. Moreover, if you wish to be always blessed by him, then be like what he loves. You know, Lord Ganesha loves Modakas. And if you feel, or if we feel that we should be loved by Lord Ganesha, let us be like those modaks, you know, they are all, you know, sweet, the sweet stuff is inside. Let us be that sweet modak from our hearts. Let us spread the goodness in the world, let us carry that sweetness in the heart, and let us be good with all the other people who are around us. On this occasion, let us pray Lord Ganesha, the supreme authority, to bless us with all good things. May Lord Lambodar remove all the sorrow, worries, hurdles, and every evil thing. At this moment, I feel exhilarated to wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi and Ganesh festival. Thank you so much, and we wish you an electrifying, enchanting, and insightful day and time ahead. Thank you so much.
from this program. I wish all of you a very happy Ganesh festival, which is going to be concluded tomorrow. And I wish that our students of class 11th and 12th and all the students of Vasisth Vidyalaya should come to normalcy. During this corona phase, entire public at large is not at normalcy. Their behavior is not at normalcy. They have been confined, business has gone down, students are in the rooms. So a new relationship has been created, and due to that new relationship, other relations are being affected. A new relationship with mobile, a new bonding with mobile, a new obedience with mobile. जो मोबाइल कहेगा ऐसे करना है. So I think in this 1.5 years हम लोग कहीं दूसरी दुनिया में चले गए हैं. हम लोग नेचुरल लाइफ से कहीं दूर होते जा रहे हैं, एंड ड्यू टू दैट एक स्टेज ऑफ ब्रोकन रिलेशंस हैज कम. यू सी इन द न्यूज़पेपर्स, रीड इन द न्यूज़पेपर्स, एक लगता है पता नहीं हम कहाँ आ गए हैं. सो आई थिंक दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू गिव ए रीथॉट दैट वेयर वी आर and what about the relations with whom we survive in this society. Each relation in this society has its own value. चाहे वो पेरेंटल रिलेशन है, चाहे वो ब्रदर रिलेशन है, सिस्टर रिलेशन है, हस्बैंड वाइफ रिलेशन है, चिल्ड्रन रिलेशन है, गुरु रिलेशन है, गुरु एंड स्टूडेंट रिलेशन. Every relation teach us, every relation guide us, every relation keeps us happy. Somewhere I feel that this relation is being affected, this relation is being shadowed. So we should bring back to normalcy that we are in India, we are Indians, and in India the relation matters. In Europe you will not find that relation most important, but in India we are known for our culture and we are known for the relations. A week back or 10 days back, there was 2 articles, 2 news in the paper. That one news was that the father is asking the child not to use the mobile, and the child got so angry that he killed his father. This is the incidents of Surat I am talking. आपको यदि वो पेपर इंग्लिश में चाहिए तो मैं मेरी टेबल पे रखा है, मेरी ड्रॉ में रखा है, वो पेपर मैं आपको दे सकता हूँ. जिसको भी चाहिए मेरे ऑफिस से आके ले जाइए. 2 न्यूज़ फर्स्ट पेज पर थी कि फादर इज सेइंग कि ये मोबाइल बंद करो बंद करो बंद करो, एंड द चाइल्ड गॉट सो एंग्री दैट ही किल्ड हिज फादर, एंड देन ही टोल्ड टू द पुलिस दैट उस फादर का कुछ डेथ हो गया है. एंड व्हेन द पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेटेड दे फाउंड दैट द चाइल्ड हैज किल्ड हिज फादर. One girl, when the father or the mother parent, when they told to a girl to switch off the mobile, the girl committed suicide. This is the 2 news on the first page of Times of India. Very shocking, you see. This where we are going. When the father is saying something, it is for your betterment. When your elder person says something, it is for your betterment. Where we are going. So we have to, you must understand one thing कि you see where you were, where you are, compare yourself and come to the normalcy. 2-3 days back, a student of Vasisth Vidyalaya, okay, they were going for a dance practice, so he was not allowed, he was told to wait because the other turn is going on. The boy got so angry that he put his hand on the window pane and he broke the glass, and all that fingers, all this thing, they were bleeding. गुस्सा कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि डांस के लिए वो 2-3-4 मिनट बच्चा वेट नहीं कर सकता है. खिड़की पे मारा जोर से, हाथ पूरी उंगलियों में ब्लीडिंग, ये वो सब. So ultimately let us learn from this. Let us learn from this. हम लोगों को गुस्सा कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है. हम लोगों के अंदर एक नया एक और प्रॉब्लम आ गया है, मी, आई एम समथिंग. वी डू नॉट सी दैट जो मी मेरे अंदर है वो दिस इज मी इन एवरीवन. दैट ईगो हैज कम. व्हाई आई हैव बीन टोल्ड लाइक दिस, व्हाई हैव बीन दिस एग्जांपल ऑफ चाइल्ड किलिंग द फादर, or the girl committing suicide, or the student breaking the window, is an example of a me that he doesn't understand. He feels that he is the supreme. He is the supreme. So why I am talking to you? Because this is your peak period of the studies. Yesterday we have given circular that the board forms has to be filled up and last date is 25th. Before that you have to deposit the fees and all that. Earlier we used to get 1 month time, 20 days time. Now the board has given us only a 10 days time that we have to complete everything within 10 days. If the form will not fill up, the child cannot give the exam. So the question comes here कि ये जो आपका पीक पीरियड चल रहा है और एक आप स्टेज से निकले हो ऑफ द कोरोना, and in this corona phase you have much more dependency on mobile, much more learning online and everything through mobile. So what I suggest you कि each one of you should have patience, गुस्से को कम करो, अपने अंदर जो ईगो आ गया है उस ईगो को कम करो, क्योंकि you are in the age of 17, 18 and in the 17, 18 you have just 1/4 of life, 1/3 of life. You have to go a long way, and in our long journey of the situation, we should grow progressively, not due to one or the other problem we'll end up with a problem. You should feel proud on your parents. You should feel proud on your school. You should feel proud on this uniform. This uniform which you are putting, wearing, this symbolizes that you are a student of this school. And when you are a student of this school, you should not do any activity, anything which affects the uniform of this school. When Rajiv Gandhi became the Prime Minister, he studied in the Doon school. And when he was an accidental Prime Minister means he never thought of going to the politics. But when his brother Sanjay Gandhi died in a plane crash, so he was made the Prime Minister. And when he was become the Prime Minister, his desire was that I should go to the Doon school. I should visit my school. And when he went to the Doon school, he gave the instruction, I like to visit the Doon school in my Doon school uniform. That is the relation. This is the school where you are spending 10 years, 5 years, 14 years. This is a place of learning for you. This is a place of learning, and we are also learning with you. So this is a place of learning for all of us. And this place you will never forget in your life. Whenever you will cross the highway, you will say, this is my school. I have been in my previous school, which was a 50-year-old school. So here the children will come along with their wife, along with their children, or along with their husband. They will come, I was studying in this room, this was like this and that. So fond memories. So this you are not realizing today. When you will come in the age of 40, 50, then you realize, oh, I studied in this school. Whatever I am today, it is due to because I got a good foundation in that school. Any school which is good or which is not good, standard of a school is not given by teachers. Standard of a school is given by its students. What type of students we have, what we are learning from each other. Because in the students we learn from each other more. So you should always feel proud with this uniform. And when you are in this uniform, take a oath that you will not do any act which affects this uniform, which affects your personality, which affects your family. That is the way how the education system of India is designed. That this is not only of teaching C plus O2 is equal to CO2 or 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That is, one can learn from anywhere. Even if that one does not come to school, he can learn from the at home also. But school is a place of making a total good human being. School is a place of making a good human being so that in the society he serves with a better thing. So what I am trying to tell you that this phase in which we are all moving, this is a very different phase of life. It's a phase in which 50% of Indian population are under depression. They are not happy. They are under depression. And the crime rate has increased a lot. So each one of us should see that we should be happy and how we can make our home life and school life more and more cheerful. If you are cheerful, you can learn a lot. I know so many students in my life that they say they cannot do. I know their parents. The parents says, please do something with our child. He cannot do. He is not learning. I have arranged tuitions, this and that. Please do something for our child. I noticed only one weak area in a child, that the child is not cheerful. Child is feeling studies as a burden. Child is feeling that this studies I cannot do. So if these things are removed, every child can score any percentage of marks. What should be removed? That you cannot do. Remove this thing from your mind. You can do. You should never invite any tension. If tension is coming from somewhere, find a solution to overcome it. If you are in tension, nobody can teach you. And the opposite of tension, that be cheerful. So if you are cheerful, you can achieve anything in life. And this uniform tells to you that be cheerful. This uniform signifies that you are in a school and you are in a temple of learning. And temple of learning means that here the teachers are teaching you and they are learning and both are learning together. So that respect to the school, that respect to the teachers, that respect to the society, that respect to the elders, to the parents is equally important. So on this auspicious day of Ganesh Chaturthi, I pray to Almighty, I pray to Lord Ganesh that the students of Sri Vasishtha Vidyalaya overcome with any of the problem should not come at all to them. Any problem should be 100 kilometers away from the students of Vasishtha Vidyalaya. 100 kilometers away the problems. They should be in a very cheerful environment. They should be in a very happy environment. And the happy environment will come when you learn good things. You do something wrong, a child is breaking a window pane and then we say that you be happy. गिलास तोड़ा है जोर से, गुस्से में ब्लड निकल रहा है, हम लोग उसको फर्स्ट एड दे रहे हैं, डॉक्टर के पास ले जा रहे हैं और फिर हम कहेंगे बी चीयरफुल. तो कैसे चीयरफुल? तो cheerfulness comes when you are doing good things and when you are making yourself, distancing yourself from wrong things. So on this auspicious occasion, I pray to Lord Ganesha, let every student of Vasishtha Vidyalaya and especially the students of Vasishtha Vidyalaya of 11th and 12th be cheerful and only cheerful. Thank you.